Greetings all you Manics, there are Manic Rhymes, and welcome back to Halo 2 on Legendary. We're continuing right off where I left off on this extremely annoying bit. Can we just fall, okay? So I have shit to worry about. Oh my god, who? Stop! Ah! At least the invisibility gives me a second to breathe. So I think I have to kill all these guys and I'll be able to continue. Because as is, I can't just run. I would like to just run, but I can't. You're not dead, big guy? Oh boy. No, no, no. You need to die, okay? I'll take your scent beam. Did he die? Yeah, he died. He died. Good, good, good. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Ow. Where's all the guns? Oh, I can get past now. I'm out. I'm outie. I'm outie 5,000. Alright, sweet. Okay, cool. Now I can actually get past. Checkpoint done. I want to see it. I want to see checkpoint done. No, no, no. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm not dealing with that. Nope, nope, nope. Open. You can fuck off. Open the shit up. Screw you. They're gonna follow me, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Okay, then. Ha! No shite. I didn't even see if I got a checkpoint. Shit. This is what happens when I don't have any freaking ammo for anything. Ah! Go away. Shit. Please tell me I got a checkpoint. Please tell me I got a checkpoint. Oh. At least it's right here and not some stupidly annoying bit. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I can do this. What the hell was I stuck on? Ow. Fuck off. Okay. Come on, checkpoints. Come on. Be a buddy to me. Be nice. Ah. They're after me. No, no, no. Open. I can't believe I have to shoot that thing. Checkpoint done. Thank fuck. Why didn't you do it fucking last time? What gives? You like this? Does that feel good? Does this feel good? Oh wow, that didn't kill him. Now you're dead. Okay. What guns do I have to work with? Not much. This is bullshit. I want my shotgun. Why didn't any of them have shotguns? Oh my god. Okay, okay. I'm gone. I'm gone. Really does suck. I have to shoot through that. On any other difficulty, I can just press a button and I can get in. Shotgun? Are you kidding me? Oh, dang. Fuck. Now I'm okay. Oh shit, this... Go ahead and laugh. Go ahead. Get it out your system. Really? Fine. Open the hell up. Everything's fine. Things are good. It's my stupidity right there. At least I got quite a bit of ammo and I got some good weapons. Stop talking. I don't care. Hello. That's right. Use grenades to destroy their bodies or just shoot them again. Ow. Holy mother of fuck. Yeah, don't you be reviving your friends. I get you. Oh. You think you're smart. There. I have to make sure I do that because next thing I know, there could be one right behind. Ow. Fuck you. Ow. Ow! Knock it off! Why? What do they have against me? What the fuck did I do? Oh my god. Can this not? Open sesame. I would be playing Castle Crashers right now, but Steam won't work. Yeah. Story of my fucking life. I want to do something, but it doesn't work. Can't I just, like, stealth through this if I can? That'd be really fucking sweet. Oh. Oh god, this is a bad idea. Shit! I thought I could, like, funnel them in and kill them all like a grenade. The face of pain. You little motherfuckers are so annoying. Bringing back all your friends. Popping yourselves on my shields. You're the real enemy. I'm really tired of hearing that Marine say, "Get it off me." Ugh. It's fine. It's fine. I'll get there. Finally, a checkpoint. My god, what is with these goddamn motherfucking god shit checkpoints? No. You little fucking ass wipes. Yeah, yeah. Pop. Pop. This is necessary. It's not that big of a waste of ammo because they won't get back up. Oh, that's just a Marine. I thought that was a floody. Screw off. I fucking see you on my motion tracker. I fucking see ya. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Sucks, this shotgun sucks. It's just not as good as a Halo 1 shotgun. Not at all. Checkpoint done. Thank fuck. Do I have to be in a certain position to get the checkpoints? If I do, that's ass. That is absolutely ass. Oh, dear God. Okay. Oh, I could see the shotgun shell when I was invisible. That's cool. I'm out. What the fuck? Was my shields out? What? See, you can see the shotgun shell. That's pretty cool. Screw off. I have to be very cautious. I hate shotgun flood. It's turning into I hate everything all of a sudden. Great channel. Screw off. Screw off. Screw off. Screw off. Shit. I'm trying to rush through this because I want to get through this. This is a long-ass mission. And I don't want this to be an hour-long episode. Because those don't pan out very well. Apparently you guys don't want to watch an hour of Halo. No! Fight it out, you fucks. How's he EMP'd? I don't understand that metal drop. There. You fucking son of a fucking horse's anus. Oh, you piece of shit. Oh, fuck you. EMP me like that. Pop and kill your friends. Yeah, frag that, bitch. Wow. Screw off. I like how it gives me absolutely no points for these little guys. Hell yeah, I'm taking that battle rifle. That's actually gonna help. Piss off! Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, why? I'm out. Okay? Go away, leave me alone. Why? Why? Just... I hate this crap. That is stupid. That is a dumb mechanic. Ugh. I'm trying not to be super ragey. And apparently some people think I'm faking being angry. I'm getting angry. Pop your bitch ass. No! All you little motherfuckers. That's not gonna help me against them. Okay, I'm gonna take it slow. I'm trying not. I don't. I want to rush through this, but I can't. Pop. If I rush through it, I die. There. Please, checkpoint. Have mercy on me. Checkpoint. Where's the goddamn checkpoint? Thank fuck. What is with these checkpoints? Why? I hope that grenade felt good, dicks. Fucking ambushing me. I hate Flood, man. You guys get my pain, right? Flood are annoying. They're pretty much the most annoying enemy ever in Halo. You see, especially on Legendary. Okay. If you guys are gonna pop down, fucking pop down. Let me see if I can't slip by. No, I can't. Well, I probably could. It's just that goddamn exploding thing. God damn it. Shit. I have to lure them out and... Ah, fucking damn it. First off, let me pick up these grenades. And just run back. No! 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 The ones without any weapons aren't any harm to me. It's just, I want them dead. Screw off! Oh my god. Hop! Thank you. No. No, 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 no. That's not happening. Ugh. These little motherfuckers. That was a waste of a grenade. Okay, I'm just gonna leave you little guys alone. Just open. Have to waste ammo on that goddamn thing. It's so stupid. Oh, shit. And they follow me. Of course they fucking do. Because why not? Why not? Because why not? Like, goddamn. Like, this couldn't be easy. Ugh. I hate, like, dragging these videos on, and I know I should edit some of this stuff out. It's just, I don't really see it necessary. This is a full Legendary Let's Play. I don't feel like editing any of it out is helping. Unless I really get stuck on a part, then yeah, I will, but... That's right, you little shits. Oh, shit. At least you only had a battle rifle. If you had a shotgun, I'd be dead right now. Oh my god. Speaking of shotguns, I only have 11 shots left. Damn it. No! Why are they so good? How? Why? I know Legendary's not supposed to be fair, but it's bullshit. Then again, I am the one that wanted to do this. I got a splatter on a flood. I never thought that's possible. Okay. Hello? Oh, hi. I'm going for headshots on flood. Yeah. Not the best plan, but it's all I got, really. That and grenades. Hey! I'm gonna calm down. I wish I could have the infinite ammo skull on. Fucking pop! Because if I had the infinite ammo skull on, I could just solve all of my problems with grenades. But I kept it off simply because this is more of a challenge anyway. Oh my god. And getting headshots on the flood is not easy. Fuck! Okay. Yeah. No. If I can at least disarm them and take their whip arm off, I should be okay. Die. Alright. I have to be very strategic about this crap. And I am running really low on shotgun ammo, and I don't like it one bit. Okay. Isn't there ammo over here? There's fucking shotgun ammo around here. I know it. Oh, God. No. No, I'm not wasting my time. I'm not wasting my time looking for shotgun ammo that may or may not be there. Okay. Checkpoint done. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Nope. Oh, good. Let pop. At least they'll be distracted by the sentinels, although at the same time the sentinels are going to be coming after me. Oh. Oh, no, you don't. That was stupid. But I killed him. No. You don't get to jump. Alright, what's with the witch music? Oh, shit. Oh, you're not even paying attention to me. Okay. I hear you talking. I don't give a shit, Marines. Oh, God. All good, thanks. There's more shotgun ammo. That's good. I'm opening that crap up right now. Open. And I am gone. I'm gone like a song. Jump. Yay. And now this should take me outside, or really close to outside. I'm right, but not where I was thinking I'd be. Open the fuck up. Yo! Am I right? Like, it's open. Okay. Going down this shit. Going down the laundry chute. The very overly sized laundry chute. Okay. I've only been recording for 20 minutes. This isn't going too terrible. Oh, boy. At least I got a phantom backing me up. No. 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 Okay. God damn you fucking little goddamn motherfucking nibbler bastards. Why did I get brave? God damn it. Even when I plan things out, I die. Why? Oh, thank fuck. There's a goddamn checkpoint. I'm out. I'm out. I am trying to get through this right now. Leave me alone. Is that really all I had to do was run for it? I'm a fucking dumbass. I am a goddamn fucking dumbass. Loading done. Okay. I'm trying not to get too ragey. I'm really holding back all my rage, but I'll be okay. And I'm at an annoying section that's probably going to kill me quite a few times. Okay. No. No. Pop your bitch ass. All I have is my shotgun. Oh, hi, dude. What's up, bro? Can I have a carbine, guys, please? I'd like one. Oh, fuck. Pop. What the fuck was that? Shotgun prick. Fly away and die. Explode those guys. It's good. No. No. Yes. Fuck. God damn it. Goddamn rocket launchers. Ah. I hate them with a fiery, burning passion, like I've been saying. Ow! How come nothing works against the flood? Why are they so freaking tough? It's stupid. You rocket noob. Fucking elite death simulator. Shit! I'm really trying to get through this. Like, you guys can tell, right? I'm trying to get through this. No! How? How? Asking that one little question. How? There just would be fucking flood right there. Give me that. Stay dead. Oh my god. I hate having to retreat into the shadows, but I have no other choices. Thank God, checkpoint. Whoa there, bud. You guys are no help at all. Now you kill him. When I die. Well, my life doesn't really matter to them anyway, but... My God. If this is how this is going, I'm not going to do Reach on Legendary. Hell no. I'm getting up off the ground. Now there's going to be a fucking swarm of them. Because why wouldn't they swarm? Goddamn pests. Fucking assholes.
What are you doing here?
Bitch, shut the fuck up.
The flood is upon us. We must hold this camp until reinforcements arrive.
Hold this camp until reinforcements arrive. Yeah, you know what? Screw that. I'd rather hide. Ow. Oh, and it's lovely how I have no carbine ammo. Oh, that's perfect. Wait. I was just about to say, like, what the hell? I didn't know they could get on those damn gun turrets. That's yet another thing to worry about. Blood on the guns. That's annoying. I think I'm going to finish up this little section. I'm going to end it. Because this is going on a lot longer than I thought it would. Ugh. There. When's the next wave coming? Okay. Stay dead, you shits. No, no, no. All my elites are gonna die. They're all gonna die. How come you How come you no die? Little fucking prick. There. Why am I getting 0 points all of a sudden? You died too much. You're a scrub. No points for you. Fuck you. Fuck you, game. I'm almost at my breaking point where I'm starting to yell. I'll be okay. Don't worry about me. Carbines, carbines, carbines. Not much, but I'll take it. Is that all of them? Hello? Oh. Well. Is that it? Is it over? Please tell me it's over. Is there more stragglers to take down? Plasma grenade. Cool. Hello? Okay, this is legitimately weird and creepy. Will you... Hello? Anyone in here? Where'd you fucks go? Broski. Brotato chip.
That was an accident.
Where'd they go? 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 Cause I don't hear them anymore. Oh. Okay. Is that all of them? I assume that has to be all of them. Well, assumption is mother of all fuck-ups. Really? Really? Is there others out there that I'm just not seeing? This is stupid. I'll keep looking. That damn fucker up there on the turret's not doing a damn thing. Yeah, I'm not going back there. I'm confused as you are. This is weird. Like, they should have swarmed after me when I freaking was shooting away. But they didn't. It's normally how Flood work. They run after gunfire. I'm just waiting for one of them. Will you stop talking to me? I'm not even fucking listening to you.
Warrior, where are your wits?
Where are your wits? Bop. And you're not dead. Where'd they go? You're not playing dead, are you? I don't understand this. What is going on? I legitimately don't fucking know. What is happening? I picked that up because I'm running low on shotgun ammo. Did the game break? Like Halo 1 does? Halo 1 sometimes checkpoints don't load properly, or the game can't progress because of the glitch. Where? Okay, I reloaded the damn thing because for whatever reason, it wasn't working. Like either the enemies wouldn't load or anything, and it wouldn't continue. It was really strange. Kill them all. Now is everything gonna work properly? Die, you little shit. There, he died. He died of dead. Wow, there's a little party going on down there, isn't there? There. Good, good, good. Yeah, keep shooting them like that. Is that all of them? More gonna swarm? I'll try and edit this one down to make sure it's not too long because I've been recording for 38 minutes. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Buddy? Are you gonna work properly this time, or is this game still broken? Please don't be. Come on. Oh, shite. No, 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 no. I'm running away. No. Screw you. Oh, wow. Bop, 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 bop. Oh, my God, you goddamn bullet sponge. Jesus Christ. You need to die. Oh, wow, the shipmaster is getting his ass kicked. That's the dude's name, by the way. But, he's not getting killed because he's invincible. I wish I was. Or if I at least had a rocket launcher, god damn. I need to blow these guys into oblivion. Are they all gone? Did we kill them all? Did we do what I like to do, is kill them all? Or is there more? I saw movement. Oh. I freaking saw you go in there. How come I can't shoot you in the goddamn head? Finally, you little shit. Is that all of them? I can't disarm them. Checkpoint done. Okay, finally the game is working properly. I assume the shipmaster can take care of most of them, because I ain't going down there. Are my shots even hitting them? Yeah, go, go! You invincible masochist? No! Okay. So, this is nearing completion. Oh, fuck. Kill all the little dudes. They're gonna resurrect their friends. No, you don't. That's not even hitting them. Why am I even wasting the ammo? Shit. God, that is obnoxious. You little shits. Yeah. Is that it? No, there's more? Wow. Who would have thought? Reinforcements, where are you? We need heavy weapons. Lots of them. Get away from him. There. He died. Good. Oh, dear God. Oh. There. I'm doing the smart thing by staying up here. Because down there, I would die in a second. Yeah, keep shooting with that heavy cannon. Is it over? Or is there more? I don't see any phantoms. Oh my God. Y'all just knock it off. I'm glad that they're very interested in that turret. That's making this a lot easier on me. What are you shooting? Oh. You're missing like a fucking idiot. Oh my God, you little fucking little bastards. Oh, thank God. Where the fuck have you been? Were you jerking off? Little assholes. Thank God. The mission is finally over. Oh, God. It took me 45 minutes. That's fantastic. Oh, not this one. This one's gonna also piss me off. Whew. I died a lot in there, but I edited a lot of it out because it would drag on. This is a 44-minute video if I didn't cut any of it out. Well, give or take some time because syncing and setup. But, anyway, we got through this mission. And now I can actually play this game on my own again. Which is good. Because I enjoy Halo 2. Not on Legendary because that is obnoxious. But, yeah. What am I going to do for tomorrow? I don't know. If Steam works, you probably guess what I'm going to do. Either Psychonauts or Castle Crashers. Let me know which one you would like to see more. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and a comment. And remember, in Trilby, we trust.